You know when your dog sits next to you and suddenly starts making that hilarious "aroo-roo" or grumbly talking noise? It's like they're trying to join the conversation. Picture it. You say something, and your dog chimes in, acting like the sassiest family member. Here's the scoop. Dogs make these weird talking sounds to communicate with us. They're not just barking, they're mimicking how we talk. It's their way of saying, "Hey, I want in on this chat." So next time your pup gets chatty, just roll with it. You have a fluffy roommate who loves to gossip.